In this video, we're going to show you how to instantly remarket or retarget somebody who was just on your website or on a specific page. That way they can come back and actually take action on your page. Coming up. Hello there again, it's Carlos with Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. And if you're new to this channel and want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's get started with Facebook dynamic ads. So what are dynamic ads? Oh, you're gonna love dynamic ads. So dynamic ads utilize the Facebook pixel and allow you to show a unique ad to an individual based on the specific page on your website that they visited. So this is something we've all seen. You've gone to a website, you're looking at a product, maybe you purchased it, maybe you didn't, but then the next time you go on Facebook, you see an ad for that product. So those are dynamic ads. So the reason why you utilize the Facebook pixel is that with the Facebook pixel, it'll automatically track who you are and retarget you with those dynamic ads. Another great thing about dynamic ads, so if you have a huge catalog of products, say in the hundreds or even thousands, you don't have to create individual ads per product to retarget to those people. You can just upload your catalog into the ads manager, and then again, based on the specific website, specific page that they visited, then this dynamic ad with the Facebook pixel can retarget to them, again, based on what they visited and also based on what they did. If they went to the shopping cart but didn't purchase, then you can retarget them with those items in their shopping cart again. So hopefully you attract them again, bringing them back to your website and complete the purchase. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is upload our catalog. So let's head on over to the ads manager over here, and under assets, click on catalog. So if you've never been here before, it'll prompt you to set up or create a catalog. So let's just go ahead and create catalog. Depending on your type of catalog, choose one of these: e-commerce, travel, real estate, or auto. In this one, we're just gonna go with a quick e-commerce product. Also, depending on the website you have, it also give you different options or even more information depending on what type of website you have. If it's a Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. Let's click on next. Name your product catalog. Let's click create. So now we're gonna view the catalog. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to do is upload your inventory. So let's click on add products. Here you can download a template. You can also click on the follow step-by-step guide in case you still, after you go through this setup, you still quite not figuring it out or it's not quite connecting correctly. Another thing is you can get a plugin depending on if you have any one of these for websites. There's also a plugin as well that can go into your website. So how do you want to upload your data feed? You want to do it once? This is recommended if you have a stable inventory, meaning the same product, or you want to set a schedule. This is recommended if your inventory changes regularly. So for this example, we're just going to go to upload once. Upload your file. Okay, they'll show you once it's complete. Name your data feed and also select the currency. Once you're done, click start upload. So now this is done. Let's click on view products. Okay, so there's the product. You can see men's shoes. Now there's dimensions for this, so I'll give you the dimensions in the description on what they are for the picture. You can see availability, in stock, condition, brand, category, price. These are all items that I've added in that Excel sheet in that .csv file and uploaded it. So as you can see, the products did come and they are here. Obviously, the more you have, the more they will show here. Okay, so now let's go and head on over to settings. And down here to associate event source. So remember, we want to make sure we attach this to a Facebook pixel. Again, what we're trying to do is once they go, that user goes on a website or a page on that website, the pixel can track them, knows what they're doing, and then remarket them with those dynamic ads. Okay, so associate the correct pixel, save, Now it's associated. Click OK. And there it is. So now let's head on over to product sets and create a new product set. So what product sets are is, so once you have the dynamic ads to remarket your products to your customers, you will have to select which products you want to market or promote to them. That will be via the product set. So this is where we create those specific set of products that we want to market to them. So let's go ahead and click on the product sets tab, then click on the create product sets. So we want to remarket those products to the customers via the dynamic ads. We will need to select the product sets you want to promote to them. This is where you create your products. You set them up in the product set. So click on the product sets tab, click on product sets or create product set, name your product set. So what product set, what category, or what filters do you want to set up? I think the first one you should create is all products. That way, in case it didn't capture anything, you still can market them via all products. The next one you can do is an upsell. So these are products that somebody who actually purchased something and upsell them based on what they purchased. Purchase something, hey, I'll upsell them this. They purchase shoes, upsell them a better shoe, or anything that goes along with that product that they purchased. And you can create as many categories as you want. You can do it category by color. So if they looked at something that was pink, you can retarget them with something pink. By gender, if they're looking at male products, you can, retarget them with male products, men's shirts, men's clothing, within a certain price range, a brand, or a product type. So you can create as many of these as you want, and then retarget those based on what they were looking at. Okay, so now let's create an ad. So we're going to go under in the campaign level. We're going to select catalog sales, select your catalog, name your campaign, click continue. So now for this one, we're going to go, the first thing you do is product set. So which product set do you want to choose? Okay, so remember, you created different product sets depending on specific filters you wanted to add for each product, for each category. So for this one, let's just go ahead. We have it all products, so let's go and select that one. Let's scroll down now and choose our audience. So the audience section is a little bit different than what you're used to because this is a dynamic ad. So we want to make sure we target the correct people. So the first option we have here is targeting the people who viewed or added to cart but not purchased. Obviously that's great. We also have the ones that added to the cart but not purchased. So we know they went to the next step of adding it to the cart. The first one is they viewed it or they added to cart. This one, they definitely, all of them added to the cart but didn't purchase. So this is obviously a great audience to target. If they didn't purchase, you want to make sure you keep showing them that product in front of them every time they go on their newsfeed, see that product, so they can potentially actually, purchase a product. Take action on it. Upsell products, so you promote all products to people who viewed the product set below in the last 14 days. Again, depending on what you're showing them, upsell them different products. You can also cross-sell products. So depending on the product set that they looked at, you can cross-sell them a different product from that product set. Okay, so people who purchase from that different product set, cross-sell them. Or you can just create a custom combination. And obviously after testing, you'll be able to sort of see, engage your audience, and maybe you want to create a custom combination of those different audiences or different ways to target your audience. So the ones that I like the most are obviously that, viewed or added to cart, because obviously they're on your site, they're viewing those items, they added it to the cart but didn't purchase, or upsell products. They already purchased something, they like your products, they like your brand, keep showing them that product, keep showing them your brand, and upsell them something else. That's great for bringing back past customers to your website again. So if you keep bringing them back, more likely it'll be that they will take action on your website. Okay, so now we're in the ad set level. I wanted to show you something cool about this. So here it actually imports in the headline and the newsfeed link, automatically imports the product name. you can change this to have it show anything you want. So you can see it shows you're sponsored. You can have the product name, brand, ID, anything you want to show it. So it pulls that information straight from that Excel sheet, that CSV file that you uploaded. So you don't have to input anything. It also pulls the image straight from the catalog that you uploaded. And same thing with the price. It just pulls that directly from the catalog. That way you don't have to import anything. It just automatically, which is what's great about these products, automatically retargets to them, pulls the information straight from the information you provided to Facebook. Okay, and so make sure it's hooked up to the correct pixel. Okay, so once you fill out all this information, you'll be able to see a preview of what your ad will be. Just click create, and that's it for dynamic ads. Well, there you have it, folks. If you have any other issues or problems, either uploading or anything with dynamic ads, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Question of the day, are you using dynamic ads? And if so, what are the best tricks or tips to be able to capture or attract more clients back to your website? Make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. Remember, some of the best tips and feedback come from you, the Zepeda Media community. So make sure to get down there, start commenting and engaging with everybody else. Make sure you continue your digital media education by clicking or tapping on one of the videos right here. As always, Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.